Hey chat, I'm gonna give you 4 secrets Capella RN-to-BSN FlexPath in less than 3 months. Real ones, you better pay attention. Secret 1, your competency map. This document tells you exactly what every assessment wants. It is your entire roadmap. Before writing one word, open the rubric. Answer every competency clearly. If it asks for it, include it. If it doesn't, stop overthinking. Secret 2, rate my professor. Before picking any course, see what students are already saying about it. They've been there. Check the grading style, instructor communication, course difficulty. Know what you're walking into before you start. Secret 3, Capella gives you templates, scoring guides, library access, examples. Everything you need is already there. Use it. Create a folder per course. Save your templates early. List sources before writing. Come organized so you spend time writing, but not searching. Secret 4, Mins? Yes, use AI. It helps you understand instructions, break down the rubric, build outlines, and brainstorm before you write. But do not blindly submit AI work. Use it as your study assistant, not your replacement. The thinking has to come from you. Research, resources, AI wisely. That is how you move faster and smarter through Capella RN-to-BSN FlexPath.